Hey there, and thanks for checking out my membership community, my learning community. I thought I'd just give you a quick behind the scenes of how it all looks for members to see what kind of things you would be getting access to if you were to sign up. So basically here is the dashboard or the portal for members, which goes through a couple of different learning journeys depending on where you're at in your learning journey at the moment, whether you're just starting out and you are learning your way around natural light and basic editing, that kind of thing, or if you're a bit more advanced, the kinds of things that you can use your membership for in order to advance from there. Along here are all the different kinds of bonuses and tutorials and recordings of the workshops we're going to be having, so you can access them quickly here. You also will have access to the courses as they get built. So at the moment it is just these first two, and then in a month and 2 months the other ones will be coming up as well, so you get full access to the courses. There's also a ton of membership bonuses with more being added all the time, so how-to guides, how I do things, different tutorials on specific techniques, or behind the camera type information that you guys are looking for. So at the moment I have a poll running to see what members will be interested in learning the most, and then I'll be creating some content based around what you guys really want and need from your membership. There's also some full editing tutorials, whether it's a full work through just in Lightroom or in both Photoshop and Lightroom. And again, I'll be adding more to this as we go along. At the moment we have the workshop from the mailing list that I ran in December, and as we do these monthly, the recordings of those will be added here as well. Also question and answer sessions once we hold a few of those, and critiques, as there is a place here where members will be able to upload one image per month, which I'll then go through and critique, offer some suggestions, feedback, editing advice, or even behind the camera advice that will help them to improve. So you'll be able to put your files up in here. You'll also obviously have access to the private Facebook group as well. We'll be doing discussions and sharing our work, getting feedback, getting advice, all of that kind of thing. And yeah, plenty more things going on as well. So definitely a ton of content with more being added all the time, and heaps of valuable information and opportunities for feedback from members as well. So hopefully we'll be seeing you in there soon.